On number 7, it says the length of a rectangle is 5 less, I forgot an S, excuse me about that, 5 less than twice the width. If the perimeter is 80 centimeters, what is the length of the rectangle? Okay, so if you don't see a shape, go ahead and draw it out. What do we know? Well, we know that the length is, remember the word is your equal sign? So they're about to tell you what the length is equal to. Okay, well, it's equal to this. 5 less than twice the width. Remember the word than? What does that mean? I've got to write it backwards. I've got to start with this side. So twice the width. Twice means 2 times the width. So 2 times, and I'm going to use a W for width. Less means minus, and then the 5. So this little expression goes here for your length. Now, if you notice, they didn't tell us anything about width. So if they don't tell you anything, you're just going to put W for width. They didn't tell you anything. So we're just going to label it. Whatever letter you use for width up here, that's what you label your side. So if you used an X, the width will be X. Okay? It says perimeter. So perimeter means adding all the sides. So let's start by adding our W's. 2W plus 2W is 4, plus 1 more is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So I have 6W. Negative 5 and negative 5, same signs, add them up and keep the sign. That's negative 10 equals to the 80. Now let's solve. Plus 10 to both sides to get rid of it because I want W alone. And 80 plus 10 is 90. Divide by 6 to both sides. Finally, W is alone. And my answer is 15. 90 divided by 6 is 15. So this is the width. Width. Remember, W stood for width. But the question said, what's the length? So please don't stop here. Now you got to go to the length. Remember the length? It was the 2W minus 5. Plug in that 15 in here. So you're going to do this. If the length equals 2 times the W minus 5, that means 2 times 15. Well, that's 30. Minus 5. Then the length is 25. This is what I'm going to be looking for, the length.